just dropped this new theme, and of course, you know, when people get this theme, I just want to, you know, instead of messaging back and forth, they can just watch the video and know what to do. So of course you're going to get this file right here. As we move forward, we're probably going to update the files, and we're going to go ahead and update it in here. If you need an updated file, then you just message us, but right now it's this. The file is currently this is the one that's fixed. So you would download it. I'd go to your downloads, and it would look like this: Persona Max 2.5 zip. Now, do not open this file. What you're going to do, for the sake of this example, for the sake of this example, we're going to be using one of our clients' website that we worked on. So you're going to go in up here in the left side, online store, themes, import theme, upload zip. You're going to go ahead and get this file, drag it over there. Then click upload file. Probably going to take like 3 seconds to upload. It will be down here. Then you click publish, so it can become the main theme on your website. So starting out, there's kind of like 4 ways you can style this out. So here on my right side is my development store, right? So let's go in here so we can explain each way to style the homepage. Now, the first version is this mosaic product grid. Okay, you can put all your products in here that you want, and every time that you put a product, it connects to the link of that product. So for example, if this is your home page, and say I'm interested in this shark, you know, product, it will take it to the shark product page. Now, I have a few apps running like Photoshop. Let me see if I can close this. Save. Oof, my computer is just having so much stuff that it's working on that it's probably not having the. Okay, so yeah, this is what it will look like if you click on each product. Of course, that I entered earlier. Oh my gosh, let me get out. Let me go back in here to edit theme. It might be because I'm not. Oh, I could just close it down. Okay, so this is one way. You can have all the products in here. You can even have a link down here to click view all. This view all will take you to all the collections inside. Here's all the collections. Here's a video player, a blog, a lookbook. You can go ahead and let's go to the spring collection. Now you have all the products in here. It's a mini inside. Now it's not scrolling because I'm inside the editor, but if we view this, it's gonna scroll perfectly. Here's your menu that you can select. You can select your menu on here on the sidebar, etc. Okay, that's like the common thing, but the main thing is if we go to your home page, you have about 4 options. So you have this option, which is the mosaic product grid. Okay, now, or you have the collection strip grid, this one. Whenever you, inside the editor, it's not doing much, but like once you go into the website, you put your cursor over it, it will move and have that color. So you have the mosaic product grid, the collection strip grid, and you also have the strip links. You can just, if you want to go it this way, you can put, do collections, horizontally. Turn that one off. Where is it? Turn that one off. And then we also have the, original, basically enter page that most of these brands or these people that create the Shopify themes have. So here in this Max theme, you have all 4. You can swap them out whenever you want. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this is I'm going to get out of here because I have another version. It's the same theme, but it's a different version. we're gonna go in here to this one that's already kind of, you know, has all the edits in there. And so if you see this, it has instead of that mosaic grid, we chose the collection strip grid here. We have the logo, we have the time, you have a message, you can put a little message up here as well. Now every single section, if you click here, down here, the footer, the header, it will tell you here on the right side, scheme 6, the default and the inverse colors, okay? So here you just gotta make sure that your colors are correct. Now, for example, if I were to put, let's put black, okay? I think that it would be an inverse black, never mind. Yeah, so let's put black. You wouldn't be able to really read that, right? So you have to make sure that this is white, and then if your background is red, make it, you know, invert color, etc. Okay, so now let's talk about the theme settings. So we have 3 different options, and then within those options you have like other options. So first is the texture overlay. So if you see this, you see all that plastic. This is a texture overlay. You can definitely like just take, if we were to take this off, let's see, change, remove, it's gonna be a black background, see? But you can put your own texture overlay, like if you, I don't know, if you have like a decal or something like cool to put it over, or even that texture overlay that we were using is pretty cool. So that's that. You can also do different blends with it, kind of like a Photoshop thing. So then now we have a global background. Your global background is going to be what you want these pages to look like. So if you want just color like this, then you're going to select here color. Now if you want an image, you're going to select image, and then here you upload the image. This image should upload on the background, so like this. Now if you don't want image and you just want a video, then you click the video, and it should have the video in the background. Now the important thing is you can't just put a website link on here. Okay, it says right here MP4 file URL. So what you have to do, this is an example, but you would have to go right here on your Shopify, content, files, go to files, you look for a video. Example, here's a video. On the very right, there's a link, copy link. Then you would paste this link here, and that's how the theme knows which video you want to play inside your website. Now, don't mind that. That is because all the white is because these pictures, these product pictures, are not on transparent. But if you were on transparent, it would look more like this. Let me see. Let this load. It's because I have so many tabs open, guys. And let's see. So preview. It would look more like this. See? Because these pictures have, you know, they're not edited from, like I just did this on the quick. But if you upload them on a transparent background, then it should be like this. Now, here you can edit the inside the product page. Inside your product page, you can edit the description, and then the description is going to have it right here. Okay. That's probably why I had it on the white, because yeah, that's bothering me. So let me just change it back to solid color. Oh, actually this isn't the because the color is still, it's not programmed yet. So let's just go back out. Let's not save anything. Let's go back out to the first one we were on. So let's go back to edit theme. Let's go to this product that we were talking about. So okay, cool. So see, like if you were to change this background to black, you'd probably see the white box back there. But if I go into Photoshop and take the background off and then just have the product there, then anything behind it will still be seen because it's transparent. Okay, let's just go back. So we already talked about the global background, the global audio player. It's the same thing. You upload it into your files. You upload it into your files. You copy the link, copy the link of your MP3. So for example, this song right here, copy that link, you paste it in here. You can choose bottom left, bottom right, the volume when people come in, and you can put a label on it. So I think this one might have Brother Stone, the song. Yeah, so that's why we put Brother Stone. But you could put like whatever, you know, you could put like the artist name, whatever. So that's about it. Let me see. Most of the time where it asks you for a logo, it will tell you if it needs a logo right then and there to upload it, or if it takes you back here and it'll tell you to upload the logo. Let's see, let me get out of here. Those swatches that I was talking about, so like for example, if we go right here, this header swatch, right, colors, it's going to tell you right here, the scheme 7. You can edit these schemes. Like if you click on it and then you click edit, it will take you to the theme setting, the colors, and then here you can change the theme colors. Okay, so there's one. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. The websites are down here. You can click on the footer and it'll give you more information. Even on this mosaic product grid, you can make it more closer, like close the gap on it. See, like the gap's gonna close a little bit. Or let's save it and see if it updates. Oh my gosh, it's because I have so many things open. There it is. See, all the gaps are not even there. I'm trying to think what else. You can connect, even this view all, you can connect it to a specific collection if you don't want it to go to all the collections. Here are your policies. Oh yeah, that's there's another thing. So if we click on view all, it takes you to all these collections, and then let's say you open up a collection. Here's all the collections. On this very left side, you can create. See how it says on the right side, it says left menu, sidebar menu. I created this sidebar menu, so in case people are like looking at all the products, they could just be like, you know what, I want to look for a jacket, and then they go straight to the jacket, and there's all your jackets, so it's more customized. But you probably, when you get this theme, you're probably not gonna have this left side menu. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to click here. You're gonna have to go ahead and I guess you could click on edit, because anyways we're gonna have to create one. Then you're gonna have to go to menu, and then you're gonna have to click create menu up here. Now I already created it, and yours should look something like this: sidebar menu. You title them, and you connect them to what collection you want. So spring is connected to spring, lookbook is connected to lookbook page, your tops is connected to your tops page, your bottoms is connected to your bottoms page. Okay. So I think that's about it, really. There's nothing else I could think of. But yeah, if there is something that you need help on, just reach out to me. And your website could look something like this. Let me see. Something like this, simple. Yeah, something simple like this, or a little bit more complex with the tiles, or something more simple like this. You come in, view all the products, go back. Can you play some music? Oh shoot, that song just ended. Play some music. You can have the privacy policy here. You can see your cart is empty at the time. So let's just go back. I don't think in this one there's any products available to buy. They're all sold out. It's sold out. You can go each collection. What else? Oh yeah, I think I could explain the... So if you go in here and you go down here to settings, I think it's here. I'm not too sure. I don't have access to this one. I think it might be under preferences. Yeah, I don't have I just don't know if it's gonna open up my other accounts. Let's see. If it does, okay. If I try log in and it opens the wrong account, then the video is gonna end here. But basically, I was just gonna say you can go into online store. I think it's preferences, and then lock your store up. When you lock your store up, there's a custom page that we made for that. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so we're good. Because I don't want to give out all the other stuff that we're working on. But so if we go to edit theme, this is another important part of you knowing what page is what page. So here's the home page, then here's the product page, collection list. A lot of people will do a home page, connect it to the collection list, and then connect it to individual collections, and then connect it to product pages. Now you can lock up your your website, and it will look like this. Password. It would have this. You can even take off this background. Honestly, you don't even need, like, if we do it on a white, you'll have this. You can add a little video here for, like, I don't know, maybe just like a little vlog or something. Your logo says join the wait list, the email, sign up, and then here you can put the information of your next drop. 6 days left, etc., etc., etc. But yeah, that's basically it. And I think that's about it. If you have more questions, just let me know.